Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9C and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move here to the left to this button with settings. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the general settings, and at the third position here we have shooter sound option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off, and by just another tap we can turn it on again, like that, as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.